Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Daily. In today's lesson, we'll explore essential English phrases for travel. These phrases will help you communicate effectively while traveling in English-speaking countries. Let's get started. Part 1. At the airport. Here are some common phrases you might need at the airport. Where is the check-in counter? Can I have my boarding pass, please? What time does my flight leave? Example. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for flight 123? Part 2. On public transportation. When using buses, trains, or taxis, try these phrases. How much is a ticket to Paris? Does this bus go to Paris? Can you take me to Paris? Example. How much is a ticket to the city centre? Part 3. At the hotel. These phrases are useful when checking into a hotel. I have a reservation under Rima. Can I have a room with a view, please? What time is checkout? Example. Hello, I have a reservation under John Smith. Part 4. Asking for help. When you're unsure or need assistance, use these phrases. Excuse me, can you help me? Is there a map of the area? Where is the nearest restroom? Example. Excuse me, can you help me find a taxi stand? Part 5. Ordering food. For dining out. These phrases are helpful. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll have the dish, please. Example. What do you recommend for lunch? Example conversation. Excuse me, where is the baggage claim?
It's down the hall to your left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's all for today's lesson. Practice these phrases before your next trip, and you'll feel more confident and prepared. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy English Daily for more practical lessons. See you in the next one.